Have you ever struggled to wake up early without feeling tired? Most of us have experienced that moment of hitting the snooze button, dreading the day because we still feel groggy and worn out. But the secret to waking up early and refreshed isn't just about the alarm time. It's about optimizing your sleep quality, your morning habits, and your mindset. Let's explore how you can rise early, feel energized, and make the most of those quiet morning hours. First, understand the nature of your sleep cycles. During the night, your body moves through stages of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Waking up in the middle of deep sleep, or REM, can leave you feeling disoriented. Aim to wake closer to light sleep or at the end of a sleep cycle. Additionally, your circadian rhythm, the internal body clock that manages hormones like melatonin and cortisol, plays a massive role. Melatonin signals sleepiness at night, while cortisol naturally peaks in the morning to help you feel alert. If you align your wake-up time with these natural rhythms, you'll find it easier to open your eyes and start the day. Next, focus on improving the quality of your rest. A consistent sleep schedule helps your body anticipate when it's time to wind down. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet to promote deep, uninterrupted sleep. Reducing screen time before bed is also crucial. The blue light from phones or laptops hinders melatonin production. Watch your evening diet. Avoid caffeine late in the day, keep alcohol intake moderate, and consider a calming pre-sleep ritual like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling. If you really want to fine-tune your approach, try using an app or device to track sleep phases and note how you feel each morning. When the alarm goes off, embrace morning habits that give you a burst of energy. Expose yourself to natural light right away, whether by opening the curtains or stepping outside. Light movement, like gentle stretches or a short walk, stimulates blood flow, loosening stiff muscles and telling your brain it's time to be active. Drink water to rehydrate after hours of sleep. Resist the temptation to check your phone first thing. Scanning social media or emails can overwhelm you before you've truly awakened. If you dare, try a quick splash of cold water on your face or a cool shower, which often provides a jolt of alertness. Mindset matters more than you might expect. Develop a strong reason to wake up early. Maybe it's time for a personal project, a workout, or a few moments of peaceful reflection. Reframe waking up early from a burden to an opportunity, telling yourself that you get to wake up for a fresh start rather than dreading it. Visualize a calm, productive morning before you fall asleep. And, most importantly, avoid that just 5 more minutes trap. Hitting snooze fragments your sleep, leaving you more drained than if you had simply gotten out of bed. If you're transitioning from a late schedule, do it gradually. Move your bedtime a bit earlier every few nights, and nudge your alarm earlier by small increments too. Keep track of how you feel. If you're exhausted, make smaller shifts or examine if you're really getting enough hours of sleep. On weekends, try not to deviate too much from your schedule, because sleeping in drastically can throw off your body clock for the following week. Common challenges include feeling too tired upon waking, which might mean you're still in deep sleep. Make sure you're actually getting enough total sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. If you rely heavily on the snooze button, place your alarm across the room, forcing yourself to physically get up. Stress and anxiety often impact sleep quality, so consider evening routines that calm your mind, like light stretching or writing down any worries in a journal. And remember, if you lack motivation, define a clear purpose for your mornings. Knowing exactly why you want to be up early can fuel your discipline and help you conquer grogginess. Over time, the rewards of rising early are immense. You'll often find a boost in productivity, fewer distractions, and a sense of accomplishment before much of the world is awake. This can lead to better mental health, especially if you use the early hours for reflection, exercise, or other self-care practices. Consistently waking up early may also reinforce better sleep habits overall, since you'll start feeling sleepy at an earlier, more consistent time each night. And that extra time can feed personal growth, whether it's learning new skills, reading, or working on goals without interruption. Ultimately, waking up early without feeling tired requires a holistic approach. You need to sync your bedtime with your desired wake-up time, adopt morning rituals that spark energy, and shift your mindset so you view early rising as a positive choice rather than a chore. By focusing on sleep quality and aligning with your body's natural cycles, you can wake up early feeling calm, clear-headed, and ready to tackle the day ahead. So tonight, prepare for tomorrow by winding down mindfully, and when the alarm sounds, get up with purpose. Over time, these steps will reshape your mornings, and possibly your entire life.